Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best DJI drones on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is DJI Mini 2. For most people, the DJI Mini 2 will be the best drone for their needs. It's tiny, able to fit in the palm of your hand, easy to fly, and can last up to 31 minutes in the air. And, at $449, it's also the least expensive of DJI's drones, making it more accessible to the masses. The Mini 2's camera resolution has been improved over the previous generation, so it can now shoot at 4K/30 FPS. And, because it's gimbal stabilized, it's just as smooth as ever. Because of its light weight, 249 grams, you don't need to register the Mini 2 with the FAA, but it also means that the drone is more susceptible to high winds. Still, it's amazing what DJI packed into the minuscule Mini 2. Reasons to buy. Relatively inexpensive. Long battery life. Easy to fly. Reasons to avoid. More susceptible to wind gusts. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is the best drone for those who want to record 4K video, but don't want to spend more than $1,000. This second edition of the Mavic Air has been upgraded with a better camera, capable of taking 4K videos at 60 frames per second, as well as super slow MO240p video at full HD resolutions. And it can take super large 48 megapixel photos, too. DJI also boosted the flight time to an excellent 34 minutes and improved the drone's object tracking so that it can now maintain a lock even if you duck behind a tree for a moment. Additionally, the Mavic Air 2 can receive ADS-B signals, so you can better know when aircraft are approaching. The only quibble we have is that the Mavic Air 2 now shares the same drab looks as the Mavic Mini and Mavic Pro. But who cares about looks with performance like this? Reasons to buy. Fast, nimble flyer. Great battery life. Comfortable controller. Excellent photos and video. Reasons to avoid. Drab design compared to previous model. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ryze Tello. For just under $100, the Ryze Tello, designed by DJI, makes for a good, inexpensive drone for first-time flyers. However, what elevates it above other inexpensive drones for kids is the fact that it can be programmed using Scratch, turning this toy into an educational device. In addition, the Tello has a 720 camera that records pretty good video and is easy to fly around. The biggest issue we had with the drone was its short 5-minute flight time, so you'll want to stock up on a few batteries if you decide to pick it up. Reasons to buy. Small, fast drone. Easy to control. Comfortable remote control. Reasons to avoid. Scratch programming language is tricky to set up. Short battery life. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DJI Air 2S. Sitting between the DJI Air 2 and the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is the DJI Air 2S, which combines some features of both in a drone that costs about $1,000. The DJI Air 2S has a 1-inch image sensor, twice that of the DJI Air 2, which means you'll get some stunning photos. It also has a new feature called Master Shots, in which the drone will analyze what it's looking at, and then automatically generate a flight pattern and create a movie, complete with a soundtrack. Like all other DJI drones, the Air 2S was a pleasure to fly. It's incredibly easy to pilot and hovers like a statue. It has the same transmission technology as the DJI FPV, so it can fly further than most other DJI drones. Its 31-minute flight time is a few minutes less than the DJI Air 2, but we suspect some will gladly make the trade-off for better videos. Reasons to buy. Easy to fly. Good flight time. Larger image sensor. Reasons to avoid. Shorter flight time than others. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is DJI FPV. For those who want to get a taste of drone racing, or simply want to see the world as a bird would, the DJI FPV will get you there. This drone comes with a pair of FPV goggles that give you an incredibly immersive view of what the drone is seeing, with no noticeable lag or delay. The DJI FPV has 3 mode settings, so novices can increase its capabilities as their abilities grow. In full manual mode, the FPV can reach speeds of up to 87 miles per hour, just watch out for trees. It's incredibly maneuverable, zipping up, down, left and right like a hummingbird. Get an extra battery, though, because the FPV only lasts 20 minutes, and you'll want to spend a lot more time in the air. Specifications: flight time, 20 minutes, camera, 4K/60 FPS, smartphone controlled, no, FAA registration, required, indoor use, no, rotors, 4, 3 blades per rotor, replaceable, size, 12.2 x 10 x 5 inches, weight, 1.8 pounds. Reasons to buy: very fast, easy to fly, at the beginner level, 3 skill levels, great FPV goggles. Reasons to avoid: shorter flight time than other DJI drones. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.